Hi viewers, this is Dilan sir. In this video I am going to show you how to define sec value of an angle. It means secant value of an angle. So let us start now. So this is a right angle triangle. Let it take A, it is A, it is B, it is C. So in this right angle triangle, B angle B is 90 degree. It is 90 degree. So always in right angle triangle, 90 degree opposite side is called hypotenuse. So here, what is the hypotenuse here? The hypotenuse is AC. It means AC is equal to hypotenuse. AC is hypotenuse. Let it and remaining angle what do you call? So angle C and also angle A. Both are two acute angles. Let it between these two you can select any one acute angle. Now I am going to take C. I am going to select A angle C. Let theta. So what is the position of AB with respect to theta? So we call the theta opposite side here. Theta opposite side is AB. So this AB is called opposite side of theta. Is opposite side. Opposite side of angle C or theta. So and then what do you call BC with respect to this theta? So BC is the adjacent side. So BC is the adjacent side of this theta. So BC is called adjacent side of angle C or theta. So these are all the sides of right angle triangle. Now I am going to write with the help of these three sides. I am going to write 6 different types of ratios. See here, what are that? The 6 different types of ratios are AB by AC, BC by AC, AB by BC, AC by AB, and then AC by BC, and then BC by AB. These are 6 types of different ratios. So these 6 types of ratios already I explained. First ratio AB by BC, I already explained. The first ratio AB by AC is called sine theta. So it is the ratio of AB by AC is called sine theta, and BC by AC, so it is called cos theta. Definition of cos theta. And then AB by BC, AB by here third ratio is AB by BC. This AB by BC is called tan. So it is the tan theta. And then BC by AB, so inverse of tan theta. So the ratio of tan theta is AB by BC. The inverse of AB by BC is BC by AB. This is called cotangent. It means simply written cot theta. So secant theta. What is called secant theta here? Very important. So if you want to taking secant theta, so before going to take a cos theta, what is the ratio of cos theta? The cos theta ratio is clearly here appearing on the board. BC by AC. So you should write first that one. Cos theta. So cos theta value we know that BC by AC. So it is a BC by AC. In this BC by AC, if you write the inverse of BC by AC, what will you get? See here, invertendo. It means invertendo. By the property of invertendo, we should get AC by BC. So what we'll getting here? AC by BC. So AC by BC is the new ratio. So AC mean, what do you call AC? AC means hypotenuse. What do you call BC? BC means adjacent side of angle C. So this new ratio is called secant theta. This new ratio is called secant theta. So now come to the definition in secant theta. In a rectangle triangle, in a right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle ABC, so the ratio of hypotenuse and adjacent side, the ratio of hypotenuse and adjacent side of an angle is defined as secant value of an secant value of an angle, secant value of an angle. So this secant value of an angle is denoted by secant value of an angle C is denoted by secant value of an angle is denoted by secant of angle C or secant C or sec theta. So simply we should written like this: secant C or secant theta is equal to here hypotenuse and then adjacent side. So we should write in the numerator is hypotenuse and the denominator is adjacent side. Adjacent side of angle C. So simply it is written AC by BC. So here, so AC by secant C or secant theta is equal to simply AC by BC. Similarly, here I have taken C as a theta. If you want to take A as a theta, on that how can you write it? So see here, if you want to take A, it means secant A or secant theta, secant A or secant theta. So we know that. So secant C means hypotenuse here. So if you want to select A as a theta on the time, how can you write that definition of the secant? So we know that what is the definition is hypotenuse by adjacent. So in hypotenuse numerator and adjacent denominator. So what is the hypotenuse of in this right angle triangle AC? So you should write AC first. And then what is asking adjacent side? So respect to theta, what is the adjacent side? So AB is adjacent side. You should write AB. So this is the definition of secant value of an triangle. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you want to like, check my YouTube channel Jilan Math Academy. Thanks for watching.